Finally, you have to find out your total cost before you sell your product. That's why machine hour rate is very important. 2200 is the total hours, but you spend 200 hours just for setting up. You're not supposed to consider setting up time. Whatever expenses given, we have to bifurcate your setting up charges, fixed charges. Setting up means called as fixed charges. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adasa here, lecturing Vidyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are discussing your cost accounting, Unit 5, Session 6 of overhead. We're done with your overhead like normal calculation, your primary as well as secondary distribution. Now we are discussing the next level. What is the next level? That is called machine overhead. We'll discuss what is machine overhead. So we are discussing what? Machine overhead. Machine overhead, it is nothing but like you have a machine in your industry, whatever expenses you make for that particular machine and what is the actual expenses you make per hour on that machine, you are supposed to find out, because many factories are there, they are paying wages to the workers on hourly basis, Now, whatever they are paying hourly basis, they have to find out the cost also, because if you spend more to the employees, you have to take care of your machine cost also, because finally you have to find out your total cost before you sell your product. That's why machine hour rate is very important. What is machine hour rate? Very simple. You have machine cost 50 lakh, the repairs and all around 5 lakh, all the oil, lubricants and all, it will come around 5 lakh, and other small expenses for your machines, repairs and all, it will come another 10 lakh. What is the total cost? 70 lakh is your total cost. Now, this total cost for how many years? Just assume that this is for 5 years. For 5 years, you are spending your machinery how much? You are spending how much? 70 lakh. Now, we don't want 70 lakh per hour. How much you are spending? Very simple. 70 lakh is your total expenditure. How many hours you are using? Just assume that you are using for 70,000 hours. You are using for how many hours? 70,000. Divided by 70,000. Cancel zeros, 7, 1, 7, 10. Per hour, you are spending 100 rupees for a machine. Simple one, but you have to remember few calculation. If you remember that, easily you can score 10 marks from this. Now, problem number 1. Calculate the machine hour rate from the following data of machine X. Now, cost of the machine is this. Estimated scrap value, working hours 2200 hours, and setting up time 200 hours. I'll explain you this. Rent and rates for quarter 10,000, general lighting, shop supervisor, insurance premium, repair and maintenance, power charges, machine consumable, and lubricant. These are the information we have. I'll add one more information for this. What is that information means? Like L, 1/4 of area used by machine and 1/5 of the time used for machinery by supervisor. Now, so these are the additional information I added. See, for machine, the area occupied is 1/4, only 1/4 space. But whatever the rent, just I'll give you an example, like there is a whole building of factory. Where the machine is kept, that place only used by machinery department. Other places will be used by somebody else. You are not you cannot calculate the whole building rent for machinery. The machinery rent should be separated. How do you separate? You have to see how much space occupied by machinery. In this, 1/4 place is occupied by machinery and 1/5 time devoted by supervisor for the machinery purpose, because supervisor who takes many work. So, but how much time he spends for machine? He spends 1/5 of his time. These are the informations are done. Yes. Now, what is the procedure is? You are supposed to, there are two types are there. One is standing charges. One more is variable charges. Standing means fixed. Variable means variable. It varies. Like cost of machine, estimation, working hours. I'll come back to this later. Rent and rate, fixed, standing charges. General lighting, standing charges. Shop supervisor salary, standing. Standing means fixed. Every year you are supposed to pay this much only. So our whole problem we are doing per year. That's why if it is given per month, convert to year, then calculate. Insurance premium, standing charges. Repair and maintenance, this is what? Variable. Power charges, variable. How much you use power, that much only you are supposed to pay. Machine consumes 5 units of power, that will come later. Lubricant, these also standing charges. Remember, hope you are clear. So every problem, same thing you will get. If you get power, lubricant, repair charges, depreciation. This is all about depreciation. This is also variable. Hope you are clear. We'll go one by one. Whatever the problem I'll solve now, exactly every problems will go for that. Your calculation is very simple. What you are supposed to do is, this will be particular, this will be per annum, this will be per hour. Per annum, and the last column will be per hour. Now, what you are supposed to do now? You are supposed to do in first one, standing charges. Standing charges. What are the standing charges? We already calculated, we already mentioned. So rent rates for quarter. We don't want quarter, we want per year. I'll tell you how to do that. Rent and rates. Rent and rates. How much? 10,000 they have given. That is what? Per quarter. We want for complete. Quarter means how much? 3 months. So how many times we have 3 months? 3, 3, 3, 3. 4 times if you add 3 months, it will be 1 year. How many quarters we have in a year? 4. So 10,000 into 4, you will get 40,000. Hope you are clear. Got it? Now, they have given rent for only 1 quarter. We don't want 1 quarter. We want for complete year. So, how many quarters in a year? 4. 10,000 into 4, it will become 40,000. Now, so 40,000 multiplied with how much space you have occupied? You occupied 1/4. So, it will be 1 by 4. Your final answer comes 10,000. Hope you are clear. Yes, don't take directly 10,000. We have to convert into 4, and how much space is occupied you are supposed to do. First one is done. A. Next one, B. B is what? General lighting 1,000 per month. We don't want per month, we want per annum. General lighting. General lighting 1,000 multiplied with 12, it is 12,000. And lighting also same thing, it goes with floor area. So it will be how much? 12,000 into 1 by 4, it will be 3,000. Yes, perfect. Now, so I'll calculate once again. 12,000 into 1 divided by 4, I get 3,000. Next. Your rent over, general lighting over, shop supervisor's salary 12,000 per annum. Shop supervisor's salary C. Shop supervisor salary. So how much it is? I'll go back to this. Shop supervisor salary 12,000 per month. 12,000 multiplied with what is a 12,000 what? 12,000 per month. We want per annum into 12. It will be how much? 12,000 into 12, it will be around 1,44,000. 12,000 into 12, it is 1,44,000. Supervisor devoted how much time? See, they have given, he spent 1/5 of his time. 1,44,000 into 1 divided by 5. 1,44,000 into 1 divided by 5. I got 28,800. So this is done. We'll go for the next one. The next one is this one is done. Rent and rates is over. General lighting is over. Shop supervisor over. Insurance premium for the machinery 2,000 per annum. They have given annum directly. Insurance premium 2,000. Insurance premium. It is how much? 2,000 directly. Next, repair and maintenance is a variable, will come later. Power charges variable, and lubricant is your standing 1,000 per annum. Lubricant 1,000. Hope you got all this is standing charges. The totaling and all I'll come later. We'll finish it up. Your variable expenses. Variable charges. Variable charges. Which are variable charges? I'll come back. First one, depreciation. 3 lakh. Scrap value 20,000. Number of years 10 years. And number of hours. See, 2,200 is the total hours, but you spend 200 hours just for setting up. You are not supposed to consider setting up time. 2,200 minus 200, it will become 2,200 minus 200, it will become 2,000. Now, I'll show you this calculation, depreciation. The value is 3 lakh, scrap value 20,000, number of years 10. Remember. So first one, depreciation, 3 lakh minus 20,000 divided by 10 years. So how much you will get? So it will be 2,80,000. So 10 multiplied with 2,000. Why it is 2,000 means? Life of the asset 10 years. Number of hours used per year 2,200 minus 200, 2,000 hours. Now, it will be like 2,000 into 10, 20,000. So, directly we can calculate 2,80,000 divided by 20,000. I got 14,14. How did you calculate? This 22,000 you can take it later, so that easy to calculate. This 2,000 you can take it later. Now just calculate 10 years. Number of hours will be what? 2,000. You know how come you got 2,000? It is nothing but your 2,200 minus setting up time. You are supposed to minus. It will be 2,000. 2,000 into 10. It is 20,000, and your answer will be, it will be 14. That point will not come. You will get answer of 14. Now, so once you're done with your depreciation, what is the next step? I'll show you. Depreciation is done. The next pending is what? Repair and maintenance 10,000 per annum. Repair and maintenance. Repair and maintenance 10,000 per annum. 10,000 divided by number of hours used, 2,000. So it will be 5. So if you are calculating per hour, no need of first column. You can go directly second column. Next, last one is power charges. What is the power charges you have? Power 500 for 100 units. We don't want per unit. We want per hour. 500 for 100 units. So machine consumes 5 units per hour. Simple one. Power 500 into 5 divided by 100. 500 for 100. How much for 5 hours? Yes. Now, this will be 500 multiplied with 5 divided by 100. I got 25. How much I got? 25. Now, similarly, I'll go back to your previous one. What is the total? I'll take total of this. 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 28,800 plus 2,000 plus 1,000. 44,800. 44,800. So how many hours we use? 2,000 hours. We have to convert into number of hours. So very simple. Divide by 2,000 hours. Calculate. 44,800 divided by 2,000 hours. I get 22.4. Very simple. 22.4 is your answer. Now, after this, what is the next? 22.4 plus 14 plus 5 plus 25. I got 66.4. So this we call it as machine hour rate. Whatever expenses given, we have to bifurcate your setting up charges, fixed charges. Setting up means called as fixed charges. One more is variable charges. Your setting up charges, do everything total, divide by number of hours, you will get 22.4. Variable charges, we have depreciation, repair and power. Calculate, write it in the directly outer column, that is per hour calculation. Add everything. 22.4 plus 14 plus 5 plus 25. Your final answer is 66.4. This is all about your machine hour rate. Now, I'll go back to all your previous slides. Please take screenshot. So, problem number 1, your solution part. The heading must be machine hour rate, calculation of machine hour rate. Your solution part, your final answer 66.4. So, this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood. Yes, easiest one. We'll work out another 3 to 4 problems on machine hour rate. Thank you.